Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. This is your Nifty post-market analysis for today. In the morning, we clearly mentioned that Nifty is expected to remain flat to range bound, and in this video, we'll see how accurately the market respected that view using today's chart. Morning prediction recap. Let's quickly recap what we discussed in the morning. Global cues were mixed. Asian markets were weak. US markets were negative. Crude was rising. And overall Nifty bias was flat to range bound. We clearly mentioned that no trending move expected. Traders should focus on support resistance based trading. Avoid aggressive positions. Opening behavior analysis. Now, let's look at how Nifty actually opened and behaved. As you can see on the chart, Nifty opened with mild weakness. Initial selling was present, but there was no follow-through selling. This is the first sign of a range-bound market. Price moves, but fails to accelerate. Intraday range analysis. Throughout the day, Nifty moved in a narrow range, showed multiple small pullbacks and recoveries, failed to break any major resistance, also did not collapse below key supports. This sideways movement clearly confirms that market was controlled and non-trending. Support holding confirmation. An important observation today is how support zones were respected. Even after repeated selling attempts, buyers stepped in near lower levels. Every dip was bought back. No candle showed strong breakdown momentum. This is typical range-bound price action where institutions are inactive. Why no trend developed today? There are three key reasons why today's market remained sideways. Mixed global cues. No strong institutional participation. Traders waiting for fresh triggers. Because of this, Nifty remained trapped in a box, frustrating trend traders but rewarding disciplined intraday traders. Best trading opportunities today. Today was a perfect day for scalping, support resistance reversals, quick option trades. But it was not a day for positional or breakout trades, exactly what we warned in the morning. Learning for traders. The biggest learning from today. When market is range bound, prediction accuracy matters. Discipline beats aggression. Following levels saves capital. Those who respected the morning view would have avoided unnecessary losses. Conclusion or CTA. To conclude, morning prediction was spot on. Market stayed flat and range bound. Levels worked beautifully. If you found this analysis useful, please like, share, and subscribe.